Section 6.1, example 7, calculating compound interest. If we invest $3,000 in an investment account paying 3% interest compounded quarterly, how much will the account be worth in 10 years? Let's start with the function. We have a of t is equal to p raised to, or p times 1 plus r divided by n raised to the power of n times t. And let's start with identifying everything. So a of t is the amount that you're going to end up earning. So we call this, let me see what the book calls it. The principal. The next one is going to be P. P is our initial investment. One is just one. R is our interest rate. Our annual interest rate, or APR. And we have N. N is the number of compounds per year. So annual compounds. T is time in years. All right, perfect. So in this case, let's see what we have. So annual, our principal, that's what we're looking for. So I'm going to put a big question mark on that part. Our initial investment is that 3,000. The interest rate, an investment account paying 3% interest. So 3% compounded quarterly. So quarterly is going to be every 3 months. So the amount in 1 year, the amount of compounds is going to be 4. So 4 compounds per year. Lastly, how much will the account be worth in 10 years? So let's throw all of this into the formula. The main thing that we want to remember is 3%. It's not going to be the whole number 3. This is going to actually be 0.03. So turning it in from a percentage to a decimal. So percent to decimal. Percent is actually just us, the parts per 100. So here we have 3 parts per 100. And if you put that into a calculator, it ends up being 0.03. So this is what we end up putting into that equation. So here we have A of t. So A of t is equal to, and actually t in this case is 10 years, is equal to our initial investment, which is 3,000, times 1 plus r divided by n, 0.03 divided by 4. And we're raising that to the power of n times t. N we said was 4 times t was 10 years. And we just keep simplifying this equation. Let's use a calculator. And eventually need it, so let's get it out pretty quickly. So 3,000 isn't going to change. Let's simplify this part here. So let's start with this, 0.03 divided by 4. That's 0.07 or 0075. So we have 1 plus 0.0075 raised to the power 4 times 10. We could do that in our heads. That's 40. And simplifying one more time. Not one more time. Simplifying again, we could simplify this inside part before we take it to the calculator. 1.00 0.0075. We're raising that to the power of 40. And now we could simplify it. So 3,000 times 1.0075. Raise that to the power of 40. And let's see, that gives us $4,045. And here we have cents, so we're dealing with money. We're gonna round to the nearest hundredth, to the nearest cent. So here it's gonna be 0.05. So our initial investment of $3,000 will be worth $4,045.05 in 10 years. And that's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Otherwise, bye.